guys, this is Toto, and I'm here to show you guys how I make my wigs for cosplay. I'm going to show you the crochet method, which is pretty easy. So basically here, you're going to see me push the crochet needle through, and I'm going to let it rest there while I kind of gather the hair in my hand to make the loop wider. And then I'm going to take the same needle with it open, close it, and then I'm going to thread it through the crochet hair net. And here you see me opening up the loop, pulling the hair through, and then I'm tightening it to my liking right there. Okay, so I'm just adjusting it and just making it tighter, and there you go. And I'm going to show you it again in a little bit. Alright, so here I am again. I'm opening up the hair, have my finger through. I'm going to push it through the crochet needle. I'm going to open up the little eye, then close the eye, pull it through the hair net, open it up with my fingers. I like using my fingers, it's just easier to manage. And then I'm going to pull the hair through the loop, making a knot. And then I'm going to tighten the knot with my fingers. And there you go. Alright, so the rest of the video, I'm going to show you pictures of me working in sections with the wig, and you're going to see the end of my progress and the completed look. So that's it, guys. Guys, it's the end of the video, and I love how the wig turned out. I have some ideas of cosplays I'm thinking about doing in the future, and if you like my content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Bye!